I'm Jim, and I'm here in my parents' home, which caught fire about a year ago, and it was pretty much a disaster. And we brought in Struck and Sons to do the design, and it was so. First of all, it was an easy process. They got started, they knew what they were doing, they handled insurance, et cetera, et cetera. And then the product was actually my sister and I toured it, and we were thrilled. It was better than the original when it was originally built. So if you need somebody to build a house for any reason, this is just gorgeous. Thank you, Struck and Sons.